Hello, I'm David Hoffman with MarineMax here in Wrightsville Beach, and we're going to do a walkthrough on Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless. As you can see, this boat is equipped with the 300 Mercury V8, and it is in the optional white. As we move forward here, we have the boarding ladder on our starboard side. We have a great piece here for standing here for fishing. What's really cool about this is we have the flip up back, and we have a great seat here in our aft with very high backrest, so it's not hurting the small of your back. As we move forward, we got the adjustable leaning post. As we move on to the helm, we have our Raymarine Axiom, we have our Raymarine VHF radio, and we have our Fusion stereo. Along with that, we do have the active trim. We do have a head in the center console portion of this, which is a pump out. We have our live well forward underneath the seat here. We have a nice lounger here with the flip up backrest. Ample storage underneath all this. And this is our 240 Dauntless from Boston Whaler. My name is David Hoffman. If you'd like to see any more, please contact me at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.